Good morning, OLM. Today's newscast is the former British Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher, a towering figure in post-war British and world politics, and the only woman to become British Prime Minister, had died at the age of 87. She suffered a stroke Monday. Her spokeswoman said a British government source said she died at the Ritz Hotel in London. During her time at the helm of the British government, she embraced moral absolutism, naturalism, and rights of the individual versus those of the state, famously declaring there is no such thing as society. In 1987, nicknamed the Iron Lady by the Soviet press after a 1976 speech declaring that the Russians are bent on the world dominance. Thatcher later enjoyed a close working relationship with the U.S. President Reagan, with whom she shared similar conversative views.
The next generation of Xbox could finally be announced this spring. On May 21st, the company will forget all about the troubled Windows 8 and Windows Phone 8 operating systems and lavish a bit of attention on the Xbox. According to bloggers who cite sources familiar with Microsoft's plans, the company is expected to share the first official details about the next generation of the popular game console, which might be named the Xbox 720. The May date was first floated by Windows blogger Paul Thurrott and confirmed by technology site The Verge on Monday. In other news, OLM continues to welcome the Middle States Committee. We have all been enjoying their visit as we welcome the opportunity to show them our amazing school. The reception was wonderful and a great time was had by all. That's all we have today. Goodbye from the OLM STEM Club.